I'm Katie Williams. Up until recently, I was an activities coordinator at a care home in Wrexham. I took the plunge a few months ago and decided that I wanted to go to university and become an occupational therapist. I used to be a qualified chef before coming into social care, and it was just management really in the job that I was in that made me look at new career options. But I found out that working in social care was something that I loved. It was something that I'd never considered before, and I'm a big believer in things happening for a reason. So I was meant to come into social care, and I was meant to help as many people as I possibly can. Sometimes it's very easy to fall into a habit where we do something for a person rather than to assist them to do it for themselves. So that's what really inspired me to want to go into occupational therapy, because the emphasis on OT is really enabling somebody to be as independent as possible. There's many misconceptions about social care. One of the biggest misconceptions, I think, is that social care has quite a bad reputation. I think social care with the right people in place can be a very rewarding career to be in or to be a part of as a service user. There's many passionate people within the sector who are just trying their best under very difficult circumstances at the moment to provide a service and to make someone feel at home and comfortable and to care for them. I would recommend working in care. It was something that I had never considered until coming to work in care by chance, and it is something that I now love and I am passionate about. So if you're thinking of a career change, social care should be something that you look into, because it can be really rewarding and you're helping people in the process.